It's a glorious day here at Cabinet Joint. I'm Justin, and in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about these drawer peg storage systems. What this allows you to do is fully customize your storage inside of your drawer and provide some structure, and gives you customizable storage options for your plates, your bowls, your ceramics, your Tupperware, your pots, anything like that. And what you can do is, with this grid system of holes that's on here, you can take your pegs and basically put them to wherever your plates or your bowls would need in order to have a tight fit. This comes in 3 different sizes. You have 24¼ inch, you have 30¼ as well as 39¼ and it will be 21¼ deep across all 3 of those. The only thing that changes is the width. As you're ordering these, you are gonna cut them down to size. So whatever size your drawer is, you're gonna order the next size up. So for instance, this is how this started before I cut it down to fit inside of this drawer, and this is how yours is going to come too. Your coach will aid you in this, but you are going to cut it down to size. This comes standard in your white birch or maple, as do the interior of your cabinets, but you can also order this with a walnut option. You will get a walnut plywood as well as walnut pegs then for your system. These pegs are 6 inches tall, and this base is just 5/8 inch plywood. This base also has a little notch here, and as you're cutting it, just make sure you aren't cutting the notch side, because this is just simply a little pull that you're able to put your finger in and pull this out. This system doesn't get screwed or nailed into your drawer at all. It's just a friction fit. So if you ever do want to remove it, it's nice to have this little notch here where you can pull it out. Each set will come with pegs, and I'm just gonna be placing them evenly inside of this drawer. You can see the adjustability. These pegs just have a little metal dowel on the bottom, and they can fit into any one of these holes, allowing you to have a lot of different combinations that you can put. As you can see, I have a different layout for the top and the bottom, really just showing off. You can genuinely put these wherever for your needs, and that's all there is to it. The biggest things you need to remember with the drawer peg storage systems is to make sure you purchase it oversized, and then you'll be good to go. So if you have any questions on the drawer peg storage system, you can reach out to your cabinet coach, or you can call us at 888-211-6482. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.